Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to create light colored marble texture effect in Photoshop. Double click on foreground color to pick color. Color is R75, G200, B200. Now use rectangle marquee tool shortcut M to draw a horizontal shape. After that, go to Filter menu and select Render and select Clothes. Again, go to Filter menu and select Liquify. Shift Ctrl X. Select Forward Warp tool to give texture effect of marble. Brush size is 200. You can press over for the effect. You can adjust texture with the tool clockwise tool and bucket tool. Finally, your light colored marble texture is now ready. Please follow steps and it is easy way to create marble texture effect. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.